Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to design t-shirts on Printify. So first, you just have to create an account here in Printify. And then once you have created an account, you can create a product here. You can do it manually. Now, what you're going to do is you have to select that specific category that you want to start designing. Let's just say if you want to design shirts, then you have to look for t-shirts and tap on start designing. Now you can start designing here inside the Printify. There are tools and features on the left side which you can choose. For example, if you want to look for stickers or text and other elements here in object, you just have to go to the left side and try to drag it right here or click. Then you will see the element inside the t-shirt. However, I strongly suggest to design also outside Printify and use Canva, which is a free editing tool. All you have to do is to create an account in Canva and upload that design here. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. Just go to Canva, create the design, and then search for shirts. Click this one right here. Look for any design. For example, type here any category keyword. Let's just say if you want to design shirts like vintage shirts, then you should see it right here. Just drag and then start editing. Change the font style, font size, background, color, or the color of the font. You could also change the picture here, like the element or the object. Once done, tap on share and then download. Go to Printify, upload the design from Canva, and then start editing it inside at the Printify. So this is what it looks like. And then on the right side, you can edit or adjust something here like the size, the color, everything is up to you. Now, once done, save product, preview, or print. So that's how easy it is to design shirts on Printify. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.